What's cooking, everybody? Anthony Gito here with Curate. We're going to be talking about the smoking feature in the Combi oven. Combi cooking is all about maximizing versatility in a limited footprint. The optional smoking feature in the Alto-Shaam Combi oven is a testament to that concept. Using real wood chips in this smoke box, you can cold smoke delicate products like seafood, vegetables, cheeses, and nuts. And you can also do traditional hot smoking, and we're going to be doing that with this pork shoulder. And thanks to the programmability and the cook and hold function of the Combi oven, we're going to hot smoke this pork shoulder overnight. All right, guys, I'm going to load this smoke box with my wood chips that I actually had soaking overnight. We're going to be using hickory. You can use anything. You can use cherry. There's all sorts of different chips you could use. But for all intents and purposes, we are using hickory. So I'm going to load the smoke box in the back of the unit using this cow rod. All right, guys, I'm going to load this into the oven. And using the programmability of the Combi, in my recipe, we actually use the probe. I'm going to shut the door, press the button, and there you go. We're on our way to beautiful smoked pork using the Combi oven. We're going to see what our results are tomorrow morning. Who said you couldn't get bark with the Combi oven? Not me. So just to go over a little bit about what we did with the pork, we did an hour cold smoke, rolled it into a hot smoke at 192 internal temperature using the probe in the Alto-Shaam Combi oven, and then we held it overnight at 165. Let's take a look at this. I am hungry. This looks great. We're gonna tear into this. Wow. Holy cow. Look at the results. I mean, that is like so easy. I mean, so many applications we can use this for. This gives the owner and operator the ability to cook anything in-house. Tacos, you could do you could top this for salads, you could do this for a pizza. Wow. I'm gonna give it a little taste. So moist and tender. You get the hickory smoke, and it's not too much smoke either, and it's so tender and moist. Wow, this is awesome. Well, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for joining us in Curate. Enjoy the rest of your day.